Hey, so I actually have no idea how I want to do this video, but I guess as you can see from the title, I'm going to be cutting most of my hair off today. I am quite nervous to do it. I feel like I need something to incite change, and I want something fun and different and something to get excited about, something that will make me feel better, something that will help me grow a little bit, and hopefully something that will inspire me to actually want to do my hair again, because it'll be with less effort and less time and a whole lot less frustrating. I really do love my hair, and I love how long it's got. Not that it's even really that long, but I do love how much it's grown. So I have no idea whether this is gonna work. It might look terrible. I might have to shave all my hair off at the end of this. I don't think so. That's like the extreme version. So for the most part, I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try, and we'll go from there. Julian made me tea, and I'm trying to drink it so I can relax, because this is a lot to deal with. I am really nervous to cut off so much. I don't think it will look bad, and obviously I can go get it fixed if I really need to, but I am still concerned. I do have a general idea of what I want to do, but I'm not really sticking to anything specific. I'm just going to start at some point and hopefully end at something that I like. Okay, so I'm going to start with my side pieces to actually see how short I want the front to be. Put it in and brush it through to about, I think, there. In theory, as I shave it, it should all just be the same, but we'll see. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, okay. Okay, that's fine. This doesn't really make me want to cut more of my hair, to be honest. But I can't leave it. So I have to. I have to cut the rest. Oh my god, look at that. Look how much hair I'm going to lose. Okay, I can't sit here and do this anymore. I have to just do it. I have to just cut it off. It's just hair, it grows back, it's fine. Yeah, like that. Like that's cute. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, this is fine. I feel like I'm that little doggy in a burning building. This is fine. This is a look though. To have short hair and then long hair. I look like a boy. Like, is it handsome? I don't know. One of those people. I have no idea. Okay, let's keep going. I only got this much left. Still looks like a lot of hair. I mean, look at that. It's so cute. It feels so nice. Okay, it actually feels gross. My hair is dirty. But the freedom of it feels fantastic. Okay, I don't regret my decision just yet. I think here I probably want it shorter, but I do like the bluntness of it. I don't actually really know how I'm going to do that. I need a mirror. Got a mirror, but I need a different mirror. But what mirrors do I have? I think I want it to be that short. I feel like I just keep cutting and cutting and cutting, and I'm so concerned I cut it too short. But I definitely think it needs to be an inch shorter. Let's do it. My battery is dying, so I'm going to continue this in the mirror. I'm just going to keep doing what I did here, and then when I'm done with it, I will show you. So this is the final look. I did have to do a few things off camera. I just made sure that everything was the same length, and I did put a few layers in just to thin it out a little bit. But for the most part, I haven't done anything else other than wash it and style it. And this is the final look. It's pretty cute, it's really girly, it's, I find, quite romantic. It's not something that I'm quite unfamiliar with, but I think because I cut so much of my hair off, that it does feel like quite a different style, even though I probably generally would style my hair like this regardless. I think it's just the length that now makes it look cute. But I am really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun having a completely different hairstyle. Every now and then I want to pick up my hair if I lie down, or tie it up, or brush my fingers through it, and then I realize that I have no more hair. So it's still a little bit of a shock every now and then. I do need to remember that I cut most of it off yesterday, but it's been quite a lot of fun actually. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed cutting off most of my hair. Even though I nervously did it, it was still a lot of fun. And I hope that you like the outcome even more. Bye!
Thanks for watching.